Okay, so yesterday's topic name, Yargadru, does anyone remember what is the topic name? Yesterday's topic, it is mathematical operation. Yeah, correct. Okay, just a minute. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. Yes, correct. Mathematical operations. So yesterday ನಾವು our topic start ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Today we will solve more questions on it. Slightly different questions just for your practice. Okay, we'll continue same topic even today, mathematical operations. So we will start with the first question. First question. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ it is given plus means divided by. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಅವೇ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವೆನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ, minus means add, into means minus, and division. Do you know even this is a symbol for division? ಇದೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
This is also a symbol for division. Okay, so this means multiplied by. Multiplied by. Okay, so now this is the statement. Okay, means now the question is expression I will write down. So what is the value of expression is this is the expression given. Okay, ಇದು given expression. You should find out the value of. So our first step ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? We should replace the symbols. Correct? First step is replacing the symbol. Okay, so we will start. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ 4 symbols it is given. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್, ಇಂಟು ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಗೆ ಏನು ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವೆನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಇಸ್ ಎನಿ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗಿವೆನ್?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
ಸೊ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ತರ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್, ನೋ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್. Brackets as it is you should write down. So we will write the brackets as it is. So first square bracket, then curly bracket, round bracket, 17. Now tell me, into place only what should I write?
Minus.
Yes, minus 12, again bracket. Okay, next, e minus place only what should I write?
Plus. Plus.
Plus. Next, again open bracket, 4. E place only what should I write?
Into.
Into 2. So bracket close. Next, e place only in place of plus.
Divided by.
Yes, divided by, open bracket, 23. E place only
Plus.
plus 6. Close bracket, close full bracket. Next, e place only
Into. Into.
0. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, yes, this is the expression. Now directly by looking at this you can tell me the answer. Try and tell me what is the answer. Just try, take 1 minute. ಇದು I'm giving you one hint now only. ಏನದು? ಫುಲ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೀಡೆಡ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Any number multiplied by 0, what is the answer?
0.
So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, wait, I'll show. First, BODMAS rule. Okay, we should follow BODMAS rule. Correct? BODMAS. B stands for bracket. Correct. Amele we should do division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So first brackets check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, this whole thing is one big bracket. Correct? ಈ bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ this one, ಈ bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ there is some big expression. Okay, some numbers ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. First inside this bracket whatever is there adu solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So adu solve ಮಾಡಿ, whatever answer you get, any answer, 1000, 10,000, 1, 2, 3, any answer whatever it is, illi outside we are multiplying it by 0. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So now tell me what is the answer?
0.
Correct. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇವಾಗ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ all these ಇದೆಲ್ಲ you don't have to find out. First doing 17 minus 12, then 4 into 2, 23 plus 6, ಮತ್ತೆ all these numbers divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So much time waste you don't have to do. Okay, check, because see here one big bracket is given, entire bracket into 0. So any number into 0, no matter it is big or small, any number, any answer, ಈ bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ whatever answer you get, you should multiply it by 0. And any number multiplied by 0 is what? 0. So 0 is the correct answer. 0. So ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So ಈ type of questions ಅಲ್ಲಿ you should save time. You should be smart and you should save time. ಇವಾಗ it will at least take 2 minutes to solve this. First 17 minus 12 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 4 into 2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, then 23 plus 6 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. But does it end there? No. ಈ numbers na again you should do division here, you should do plus here, and then go to multiplication by 0. So that's why in such questions you should save time. You should check outside nodi into 0 ಇದೆ. So check if it's for the entire bracket or not. Multiplied by 0 andre whatever number it is, your final answer will be 0. Okay, so ee tara questions alli you should save time. Only then you can focus on other important questions. Okay, so any doubts in this one?
No.
Okay, we'll do the next question. Okay, second question alli A means B means divided by, C means plus, D means minus. Okay, this is the statement. So what is the value of 21C, 3D, 6A, 8B, 2? What is this value equal to? Okay, so same thing in ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Alphabets ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 alphabets ಇದೆ. 4 alphabets place ಅಲ್ಲಿ mathematical operations replace ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So tell me one by one what is the operation. 21, what is the first operation? C place ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Plus.
Okay, plus 3
Minus.
Okay, next
Into.
Okay,
Divided by.
2.
correct. Now tell me first ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What should I do here?
Divided by. Division.
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 Numbers. What should I do? Which two numbers? Division.
8 divided by 2. Answer 4.
Yes. So first ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So this is equal to 21 plus 3 minus 6 into, what is 8 divided by 2?
4.
Okay. Next ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
Multiplication.
Okay. So multiplication andre which two numbers here?
6 and 4. 24.
Yes. So this, yes. So 6 into 4, 24. This is equal to 21 plus 3 minus 6 into 4, which is 24.
4.
Okay. So this is straightforward. First, these two numbers add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and then do subtraction. So what is 21 plus 3?
24.
24 minus 24. So what is the answer?
0.
0. So 0. This is the final answer. So this expression answer is 0. Simple. That's it. Okay. Next question. E question alli shapes are used. Okay. If triangle means plus, square means into, square means into, and E symbol. Does anyone know theta symbol? Theta andre idu.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
you all
ma'am.
know theta. Okay, fine. So theta symbol. This means theta means minus. Okay, 1 minute. What are we missing here? Division, right? Yes. So here circle means division. So this is the statement. Now expression is 64 circle 8 triangle 16 square 4 theta 3 is equal to what? So can you try this and tell me the answer? I'll give you 1 minute time. Neeve pen paper togoli try ಮಾಡಿ tell me the answer. Just take 1 minute time. Amele I will explain. Don't worry. I will explain it step by step. But just take 1 minute time. Neevu try ಮಾಡಿ and tell me the answer.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Ma'am, answer is 69.
ಗೋಡ್ರು ಬಿಟ್ಟವ್ರೆ, ವಿನಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟವ್ರೆ.
Yes. Can you repeat the answer? What is it?
69.
Yes, correct. 69 is the correct answer. Innu yargadru same answer banta? Can you confirm? Did anyone get same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 69 is correct. Okay, so I will do it step by step now. So first number 64, write it as it is. Circle place only, what should I write?
Division.
So 64 divided by 8. Next, triangle
Plus.
plus 16. Okay,
Into.
square into 4. Theta place
4 minus 3.
minus 3. Yes, so illi first end madbeku, I should do division. So what is 64 divided by 8?
8.
Yes, 8 plus 16 into 4 minus 3. So illi next what should I do? Multiplication. Yes. So what is the answer? What is 16 into 4?
64.
So 8 plus 64 minus 3. So illi what should I do? Add these two and then subtract minus 3. So what is 64 plus 8?
72.
Yes. So 72 minus 3 is?
69.
Yes, 69. So 69 is the answer. Good. Correct. 69 is correct. Next. Okay, fourth question. N means into, M means division, P means plus, Q means minus. Then what is the value of 16P, 24M, 8Q, 6M, 2n 3. So this is the given question. 16p 24m 8q 6m 2n 3. So same, idu take time, take 1 minute time, try ಮಾಡಿ and please tell me the answer. ಆಮೇಲೆ I will explain it.
Ma'am, answer is 10.
Okay. ಇನ್ನು ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂತಾ? Can someone please confirm? Tell me if you're getting any different answer. 10, okay. 10, everyone is getting 10. Can someone else also confirm? ಆಮೇಲೆ I will solve.
ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಶತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಯುವಕನು.
Okay, let's check 10 correct ilva. Let us check that. Okay, so tell me the sign one by one. First, what is it?
Plus.
Okay, 16 plus 24. Then,
Divided by.
what is it?
-5.
-5. Okay, we'll check. So one answer I got 10. One more answer I got -5. Okay, let us check what is correct. Okay, so 8 q place only, what should I write?
Minus.
-6. Next m andre divided by 2. N is
Into
what is n? Into 3. Yes.
3.
So illi first this is divided by. Okay, so first ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? I should do division here. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 divisions ಇದೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ first ಇದು both I should do. Okay, division first ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, correct? First division, then multiplication. After that you should do addition and subtraction. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 divisions ಇದೆ, do both one by one. You should do it together. Okay, so 16 plus what is 24 divided by 8?
3.
Okay, minus what about 6 divided by 2?
3.
3.
Yeah, 3 and into 3. So, each step only, what should I do next?
Multiplication.
So what is the answer? 16 plus 3 minus 3 into 3 is
9.
9. Okay, so now simple addition. First either do add madi and then do -9. So tell me what is 16 plus 3?
9.
19 minus 9. So what is 19 minus 9?
10.
10. So 10 is the correct answer. Idu check. Okay, whoever said -5, just once again check madi. Did you understand this procedure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 10
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the correct answer. Yeah, okay. Okay, next question. This question is different. So please listen carefully. You all know what is power? Power andre eno gotta? 2 power 3.
Yes, ma'am.
3. So you all know what is powers. Okay. So now this question is related to powers. Okay. So illi question alli, the question is if R, 1 minute. If R star S, either star or into, anything you can call. Okay, here it is used as into. R star S is equal to R to the power S and R hashtag S. This symbol gotta? Do you all know this symbol?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the symbol is called hashtag. Okay, so R hashtag S is equal to S power R. Then what is the value of 2 star 3 star 1 hashtag 4? This is the question. Okay, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಎಸ್ ವಿ ನೋ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ 2 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 2 ಇಂಟು 3, 2 ಇಂಟು 3 6. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಿ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್. ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಏನು? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಪವರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಎಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಶ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಎಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಆರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ 3 ಇದೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡು 2 ಇಂಟು 3. 2 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಡೂ ವಾಟ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್ ನೌ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ರೂಲ್ ಇವನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಡೂ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 2 brackets here. First do this bracket and this bracket. Okay, so separate agi I'll write here 2 star 3 andre what should I write? Now it is given in the question r star s is r to the power s. So 2 star 3 andre what should I write?
2 to the power of 3.
Correct, 2 to the power of 3. So what is 2 to the power of 3? 2 into 2 into 2, what is the answer?
8.
Yes, 2 to the power of 3, 8 is the answer. Very good. Next, e bracket aitu. Now do this bracket. 1 hashtag 4. Illi r hashtag s andre you should do s to the power r. So what is 1 hashtag 4?
Four to the power of 1.
Very good. Correct. Simple. 4 to the power of 1. What is 4 to the power of 1?
4.
4. Very good. So e bracket also completed. Middle alli star is given, we'll write. So this is equal to, what is 2 star 3? 2 star 3 is 8. 8. Write the star as it is. Star ide, write it as it is. Star. 1 hashtag 4 is 4. So 4. Now tell me what is 8 star 4?
8 to the power of 4.
Yes, correct. 8 to the power of 4. So of course, idu very long answer barutte. 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. Okay, so adu it's fine. If you don't have time, you do ivaga exam alli you can try. Now what is 8 into 8? 64. So 64 into 64 you can do. Double digit multiplication. I'm sure ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು, but it will take time. ನಿಮಗೆ probably exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ big answers they might not ask, but still it is good to practice multiplications. Okay, so try ಮಾಡಿ, it's fine. Let us see how much time you will take. Try ಮಾಡಿ 64 into 64. Try ಮಾಡಿ and tell me the answer. Don't use calculator. Manually paper pen use ಮಾಡಿ. Try it on paper and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, answer is 4096.
4096. Yeah, correct. So 4096 is the answer. Okay, so this is it. 1 minute. Let me check if there are any different questions. Okay, so that's it. All type of questions, mathematical operations alli I have covered. E fifth question artha aita ellargu? Any doubt? This is a different pattern question. This has power. So any doubt, anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so that's it. This is about mathematical operations. It is very simple. Only thing is nanu yesterday class alli I mentioned it, right? Question, read it carefully. Make sure ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಗಿವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾಥಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ BODMAS rule. Okay, so this is important for mathematical operations. This rule B is for brackets. So first bracket solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and then you should do division, then do multiplication, then it's addition, and lastly you should do subtraction. Okay, so this rule is very important, everyone. So don't forget this rule. First bracket illa andre directly start with division. First division idre you should do division illa andre start with multiplication, then addition and subtraction. Okay, because e order if you change, e order follow madilla andre you will get different answer. If you want, ನೀವು check ಮಾಡಿ, take one expression with all four symbols, any expression your wish you can take, something like 9 divided by 3 minus 2 into 4 plus 6, something like that. In other, take your own expression. Don't with following this rule, without following this rule ನೀವು check ಮಾಡಿ, you will get different answer. Okay, so that's why to get one proper answer ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, follow this rule always. First division, then multiplication, addition, and finally subtraction. Okay, so that's it about mathematical operations. Any doubt, anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then, that's it for today. We'll meet in the next class.